Attack. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there in a new link from New Link Production. And I mean say attack. So right about now, viewers and subscribers, me I tell us some sad breaking news has reached to the attacking boss attention again, my people. And only Jah sees and he knows. Because viewers and subscribers, I don't know, say, as Jamaican, as Caribbean people, when we get the chance and we come to boom, and we go over in the United States, or we go Canada, or we go England, or we go some countries around the world, people, we are going to make a better life, people. You understand? We now go to go in a war and violence and them thing they are, if we go in a problem with people. So we know that some people go and choose them road the people and two toes, you don't know what happened, don't? Okay. Well, now, my viewers and subscribers, as me telling you before, people, some sad news we are going to talk about now, people. And it is where a promoter, you understand, very popular promoter over there in Florida, my people, also who is from Portmore, Jamaica, who goes by the name of Ryan Everbless, you understand, from the Everbless promotion family over there in Florida, people, was gunned down. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, viewers and subscribers, before me even say nothing more, people, me just go play that little piece of voice clippings here, and then the attacking boss drop back in.
Him and one friend must go to one club, and some gunman did after the friend, and them see him, and him spot them and tell the youths, Ryan say, I'm ready. So, he ready now, I'm going to car driveway, and them drive down the car and shoot it up. The boy get 4 shots, Ryan get 2 in the head. The boy get treated and sent home from hospital, and Ryan dead today.
Viewers and subscribers, sad news. So based on the fact now, Zane, this youth of people who just in their early 30s, Ryan people, as me tell you, from over there in Portmore originally people, but lives over there in Florida, my viewers and subscribers, was cut down. You understand? So news reaching the attacking boss attention, people, is that on Saturday, my viewers and subscribers, the 31st of July, this youth and a virgin people, close virgin, comes a boom, Zane, and step in a club over there at one party over Florida, my people. It is said that when the youth reaching the people and see a move, because he have some problem, be that a Ryan virgin people have some problems, some problem with some such man people, Zane. So they said that when him see that move there and him see them type of man, them say to Ryan and say, yo, you know, so we are cut though, we not about to tarry, so we not about to stay, so deep inside him never explained to Ryan, say, you know, say, yo, such an enemy there and this and that. So Ryan was the driver of the car and thing, people, and they said that then comes a boom and them jumping, and you know, by the time if it comes a boom, people and make a move, it's the man them that pull out and come up towards the car and just start beat out shot people, hitting the two of them. It is said that people, 2 of the shot connect to Ryan head, Zane, and the other you get 4. So them comes a boom car party, I go and people hear explosion and think people know say Ryan is a popular promoter and think people, you don't know go other party if you try promote film thing and people them rush him towards the hospital, people. Ryan was there, people, until Sunday, which is the 1st of August. Sadly, he passed away. For the other youth now, people who get the 4 shot, them say he was treated and released based on the information when I get my viewers and subscribers. But sadly, Ryan never make it, my people. And right now, people, may I tell us, say, the whole over there in Florida, people, the whole dancehall community, the whole entertainment community, people, over there in mourning right now, because the amount of love what I see them a pour out on social media for this youth, my viewers and subscribers, to tell us say, yo, this youth was well loved by many, but only Jah sees and he knows. And this is a good friend of the youth, people, Ryan, and she make a post, people, and she goes by the name of Sharika, my people, and she said, I swear you don't deserve this at all, Ryan Everbless. You are such a sweet, humble guy. We grew such a close friendship when you got sick. I checked on you every Sunday until you told me you were doing much better. Then I slowed down on the conversations. You always look out for me when the event come around. You never pass me and not stop and give me a hug and sweet smile. I always said to a friend, Rayan, I come give me the brother and sister hug, just watch. And we always lol because it always happen. Never in a million years I will expect to lose you this way. It hurts to see all the RIP. I just don't understand why the good have to go in such manner. I thought I was getting immune to death, but this really hurt me to my stomach. Jaja sees, Jaja knows my people. Zine, but remember me tell a people, boy, Jaja. Well, this is where even a promoter people also, you don't know, selector, J Skull comes to boom and say, Rayan ever bless, fly high, my general. Done, don't even talk, Jaja. Well, my viewers and subscribers, I can tell us say, all over a whole heap. Zine, and this is another one from a brother named Shatterblacks, and him say, my prayers and condolences goes out to Rayan Everbless family. As we all know, him very cool and humble youth. All know me still can't believe this. Sick bro, Florida dancehall community is hurt right now. This youth don't deserve that. Viewers and subscribers, we all know how it go, people. Zine, yeah, we all know how it go. And to tell you, them say, him friend people. Zine, him and him friend go on event. You know what I mean? And him friend see a move, people. Him friend, you know, because him friend spot the enemy. Rayan don't know about the enemy, them people, and just say, yo, movements. Zine, him never go around the talk time to say, yo, what go on, where does I left about? Him just say movement. Rayan at the driver, I'm good friend people, so him just move. And boy, by the time them come to people, the man them comes to boom. Call them up. Seeing two in them head, my people. Innocent you to everybody I say, and that is why you can hear a lot of people based on them posts when I read people, and I tell us that the youth was a humble youth. The youth never deserve this because them say people is a youth when are known for violence, and even people who know this youth from Jamaica in a Portmore say, yo, this a youth is not a violent youth. This is a youth where always, you know what I mean, just always believing in promotion thing, people, doing in party and thing, jovial, laugh with people, talk to people, you know what I mean, people, it was not a youth who comes to boom and known for in a gang and violence and them thing, them people, but you don't know, say, I have some bridging, and you don't know that part, they got my people. Well, me going to read a final post, people, and this is from another female who goes by the name of Nadia. And she said, what a day, my mom's birthday today, and the sad news of losing a good friend, Rayan Everbless. You're gonna be missed. I will always remember your passing. It's sad to see someone so young and vibrant. Cool man will continue your good name. So sleep in perfect peace. My viewers and my subscribers. And what I want to say to the yardie them, Zine, where they are foreign. Yo, a time for we live better. We have seen in this year called 2021, and this is not the first promoter get gunned down over there in Florida. And if you check the amount of story we cover and the amount of promoter selector get gunned down, who know they are US and comes to boom and go Jamaica and there's 2 toes them get cut down, Zina, who know they overseas. Yo, a time for the man them stop in a problem with people. A time for the man them start living a peace. A time for the man they make a change and make a difference. Zine, we feel let go the past and start move to the present, yo. Because at the end of the day, no man, remember this, you know. We are take life, but we can't make life. I remember the one man will make life, you know, the creator, you know. Him name tell you if you had grown and a take no man 3 points, you know. So you know that I go, you know. Remember, you know, man, we are a big man we have problem, but we do have a local youth them too. So we have to set an example for our local ones them. Me know there's a lot of man me go around a man me style a man me do this me do that. But yo, there's other way how we can resolve things and how we can deal with things. Because if we all come together and pre-violence and crime against each other based on the fact where we have some difference or some problem, yo, then man I go dead like dirt, like sand. So look at a man, make we come so boom and make a change, make a difference. Me say it over and over again and me nah go stop say it. My condolences to the family of Rayan Everbless, and may his soul rest in peace. Promoter youth, Florida dancehall community, Everbless family, boy, only Jah sees and he knows. My people, big up on yourself, more love, more respect, and more blessings. And remember, my people, like, share, comment, subscribe. Ryan ever bless. Florida dancehall community. Rest in peace, my G. Attack.